the graduation. So ako naman, umuwi na lang sa Davao because at that time, expelled ako. Ang nanay ko nagtanong, sabi niya, Rodrigo, kailan ba ako pupunta ng Manila? Very excited as I was. Di ba sininari? Sabi niya, noon kasi tawagan lang sa probinsya. You call PAL and place a resort. Pagdating mo sa airport via Kilo. That was the time. Sabi niya, nung nag-graduation ata, nabasa ko sa newspaper. Sabi ko ma, sabi kasi ng pare, gulo. Ang pagulo talaga ang Mindiola noon. We were the martial law lawyer. We took the bar under immense pressure. You know, every 300 meters, andoon yung Metrocom. At lahat yung taas na buhok, ginupitan. And those were the times, so it wasn't really good for anything except maybe to go home and relax. Sabi ko, masabi ng pare,